Hi guys, I'm Freya. Welcome back to SSBeauty's YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to talk all about concealers. In this video I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know. Different types of concealers, various application techniques, and how to find your perfect match. And as a makeup artist, I'm sharing insights that have changed my makeup game completely. So let's dive in. Let's start by understanding different types of concealers because they all have different purpose. Let's start by talking about liquid concealers, which are the most versatile kind of concealers in your makeup vanity. They offer everything from lightweight to full coverage, and depending on their formulas can be sheer, natural, matte or full coverage. What makes them so practical is their fluid consistency. They blend beautifully with both foundation and skin, which means they rarely look cakey and obvious. When you gently dab in with a beauty blender, it integrates seamlessly. For those with smooth skin and minimal concerns, can go with lightweight to medium coverage formulas like these from Maybelline, Lakme and Clinique. They provide solid coverage without feeling heavy and don't settle into fine lines. These concealers from L'Oreal and Lovechild also work really well. When you're dealing with mature and textured skin, you want something hydrating and buildable, such as this Clarins concealer that is not thick and does not emphasize fine lines. If your concealer looks grey or ashy in certain lighting, that's a shade or undertone issue. This happens when you try to go too bright in the under eye area, and I'll explain how to avoid that shortly. Pot concealers are for serious coverage. They're thicker, denser, and highly pigmented and perfect for blemishes and discoloration. They act as concentrated foundations, and these ones from NARS and Smashbox are the perfect examples. For discoloration around the mouth, the best way to get full coverage is to go in with a makeup brush. Now I'm going to do some application for you guys. This is heavier in texture, so only using it on the pigmented areas. The trade-off is that because they're heavier in texture, applying them across the entire under eye area can look quite thick or mask-like, particularly in photos or on videos. This is why I use these for targeted spot concealing rather than overall under eye brightening. Now let's talk about the most quick and practical concealer options: cushion, pen and stick. Like these from Bobbi Brown, Maybelline and Lakme are my go-to. Maybelline Age Rewind and Lakme Concealer Pen is lightweight and easy to use, which is perfect for busy mornings and midday touch-ups. These generally provide lightweight coverage with a fresh finish that doesn't feel heavy or look overdone. Concealer palettes are for customized solutions. Options like MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct and the Renee Always Right palette give you the flexibility to mix shades and even color correct before concealing. When you're dealing with multiple concerns, perhaps during dark circles and pigmentations, or different areas requiring different depths, palettes become incredibly useful. This is particularly valuable when one single shade simply doesn't address all your needs. Now let's discuss what actually matters and makes the difference between concealers that look flawless and concealers that disappoint. Number 1, shade matching. This actually makes and breaks everything. Your concealer should look seamless in natural lighting as it's your most honest mirror. Think of it like interior design. When colors harmonize, it looks beautiful, but when it clashes, it's immediately noticeable. Here's my recommendation: to always test it in natural lighting and let it sit for 30 seconds, as some formulas tend to oxidize. For covering blemishes and pigmentations, your concealer should be just a shade darker than your actual skin tone, and for brightening, a shade lighter. Number 2 is using minimal product quantity. Concealer should correct and enhance and not mask your entire face, hence using the right quantity is important, otherwise it tends to settle into your fine lines and creases. Number 3, hydration and proper skin prep. Preparation makes a huge difference, and a small amount of eye cream, moisturizer or primer creates a perfect canvas for your concealers. Last but not the least, choosing the right application tool is very crucial. The tools you use can completely change how your concealer looks even if you're using the same product. For example, using your fingertips for skin-like finish, a damp beauty blender for lightweight coverage, and a brush for heavy coverage. The key is matching your tool to your formula. So there you have it, a complete approach to how to make your concealers work beautifully. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.